Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Metamask to GMGN. First, install the Metamask extension on your browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Brave. After installing, either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make sure to securely save your secret recovery phrase, as it required to restore your wallet if needed. Next, open the official GMGN website. Look for the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner and click on it. From the list of wallet options, select Metamask. A Metamask pop-up will appear asking you to connect. Click Connect and approve any signature requests that appear. Once approved, your wallet address should now be visible on GMGN. GMGN may support multiple blockchain networks such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, and Solana. Note that Solana usually requires a separate wallet. In Metamask, click on the network drop-down at the top and switch to the required network that GMGN supports. Once your wallet is connected, you can view token analytics, trade tokens if supported, and monitor your wallet activity directly on the GMGN platform. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.